Hi, it's Dave at Stable Vehicle Contracts. Today I'm taking a look around one of only 50 cars that are ever going to be made in the world, and that is this Audi RS4-R from ABT. Now, a couple of things which stand out straight away on this car to me, apart from its stunning look and the fact it's dripping in carbon fibre, are the alloy wheels. I've never ever seen anything like this on a car in my life. I'm not entirely sure what the benefit is. I presume it's something to do with aerodynamics, but it's got this carbon fibre ring around the alloy wheel, which just looks weird and crazy and not practical. Like I say, I'm sure there's some really clever aerodynamic reasons for doing that. It just looks a bit weird though, doesn't it? Let us know what you think. The other thing which I really like on this car is what ABT have done under the bonnet. Firstly, they've increased the top speed. They've taken it from 155 miles an hour to 174 miles per hour. They've also increased the brake horsepower from 450 to a pretty impressive 530 brake horsepower. Now, when ABT create these R versions, what they do is they only make 50 worldwide, and they sell out pretty much straight away normally. They're not cheap though. The ABT kit on this car costs around £30,000, and if you bear in mind the car itself is going to cost you around £62,000, completely standard. So before you have things like paint and so on, 62 grand for the car. It's not a cheap investment, but it looks pretty good. So that was our look around the Audi RS4-R here at Geneva Motor Show 2018. Let us know what you think of this car in the comment section below. Give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again very soon.